Hey everyone, are you seeing the error? Please check your internet connection and try again later when opening Messenger. Even if your internet is working fine, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem without a sweat. So without further delay, let's jump right into the video. Solution 1. Switch your internet connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to a Wi-Fi network. Restart the app and see if it works. Sometimes Messenger has trouble connecting through a specific network. Solution 2. Toggle airplane mode. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off again. Open Messenger. This refreshes the device's internet connection without restarting. Solution 3. Clear Messenger cache. Open Settings on your phone. Go to Apps or App Management. Find and tap on Messenger. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can cause slow performance. Don't worry, your chats and data won't be deleted. Solution 4. Reset network settings. First, open up your settings. Then scroll down and tap on More Connectivity options. From there, tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Now just reset your settings. This won't delete your apps or data. It will just delete your saved Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth pairings. And that's it. You should now be able to open Messenger without the internet connection error. If this fixed your problem, hit like, comment below, and let me know which step worked. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes and tips. Thanks for watching the video.